Sorry, from morning I was very much engaged with this Pulse Polio program. It started at 8 o'clock in my house itself. Then myself, George, we had to go for a tunnel laying foundation. Then I had been to this Nisha Mukta Bharat, drug free state. So a big, about in a stadium it was there. More than 25,000-30,000 students were there. From there I am just here. Yesterday I tried to be here, but we had this man who built this Bangalore. We celebrated that day from morning to evening. So yesterday I could not come. So with lot of love, pleasure, anxiety to give strength, I have come here to participate in this event today. Anyway, I am very happy to meet a very long-standing national president, who is the INTEC president, Mr. Dr. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, and very proud to meet my oldest friend, Mr. Anantaya. When we were, myself, George, we were the Youth Congress, he was in the INTEC in those days, he was an MLA of us. Very happy, Mr. Sanjeev Singh is here. My friend Lakshmikant, who is taking the lead of this INTEC, is here. Mr. Kuntia is there, who is the National Vice President. He was in charge of Telangana also for some time. Worked with us, Ashok Singh, Raghavji, Chandrasekhar, Anup Singh, and all other important leaders are there. My colleague, Mr. George, is there, and all the office bearers of the important INTECs are here. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a very privilege to be a part of this great Indian National Congress Trade Union. You are having a working committee meeting at Bangalore on this 28th June, hosted by Karnataka. It is a privilege. We all have been working together here. And today the INTEC movement, or the labor movement, in this country is taking a different shape. Though different political party has took up this shape along the country, but INTEC has stood very strongly. I could like to remember the days of Indira Gandhi, whatever may be. She, being the president of the Indian Congress, she decided that she should lead the INTEC, she should lead the NSUI, she should lead the Youth Congress, she should lead the Mahila Congress. And these are the frontal ordination and the four pillars of the Congress party. That is what till today all the leaders are maintaining across the country. And it is the frontal ordinations. Whenever we take decisions on any political decisions, our INTEC leaders are the members of the Congress Working Committee. From there to the district level, we maintain that dignity of the office. So I'm very happy. This we have to continue. I'm not telling we leaders. Today I may be the Chief Minister. I've been in the student movement, from student movement to Youth Congress and various other sectors being here. I know the importance of the youth. See, in history, there are so many issues connected. But the four pillars of within the Constitution or within the lifetime of all the humanity. Today, one Krushika, he may be a farmer. Then, after Krushika, it is Shikshika. Then again, it is Sainika. Who is the Sainika means, I think you can understand. Who is Sainika? Who is Krushika also you can understand. Then is the Shikshika. Shikshika. Then the last is Karmika. Krushika, Sainika, Karmika, Shikshaka. They four all the pillars. Without these four, society can't survive. So you are also part. Without you, no society can survive. Whoever big baby, whoever small baby, without you, none of us survive. So on humanity, it is our bound duty to respect your basic principles, your hard work, your commitment has to be recognized by any government. It is a bound duty. Anyone want to be happy, the country has to grow all over the world. It is the Karmika who has taken a very major lead, and you have been brought, and any prosperous country growing economically, this is what you have done. Today, I would like to thank Mr. Sanjeev Reddy for a very long moment. He has been guiding all of you, and still he heads these organizations. I remember today Oscar Fernandes and Mallikarjun Kharge. They were the labor minister. They created history in Indian advice system. For the labor movement, and we all had the labor insurances, whatever in the ESI hospitals. For the first time of this modern India, they created all the labor children should have a free medical seat from the ESI hospital and build more than 10 to 15 medical colleges. That is a big transformation what they created. It is Oscar Fernandes and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who is the president of the Indian National Congress. Today, a labor leader is the president of the Congress party in this country. This is what the leadership of the Congress party has given to today in this country. Anyway, today you all are here. I, being a part of this government, representing this government, leading this government, I would like to assure you, my heart stands with you. You are the moment, you are the strength. We should protect you. We know. I believe in sharing and caring. If I doesn't share power, I doesn't care for you, my government will not last long. I know that. I believe in it. So today we have given 5 guarantees. 5 guarantees we decided that today. Our guarantees has become a model of this country. BJP friends were criticizing it. Prime Minister started criticizing it. Many states criticizing it. Why? The prices are going to the sky and the income of a common man is going to the deep roots. But we decided more than 53,000 crores we are spending on it every day. Mr. George is here, he is the power minister. You will not believe, for the farmers we are giving about 20,000 crores. We have called it Gruha Jyoti. For every common man, we are giving 200 units of power, which is costing us 10,000 crores. Only to lit the lamp and to save the farmer, for the economy of this country. State, you are giving 30,000 crores. No other state has taken such a big strength, such a strong decision. Among the women also, we believe in empowering women. We believe in empowering youth because they are the future. So every woman will have gratitude. That is what we believe in. Every youth will have the biggest strength and they are the future of this country. So anyway, we don't like to ignore all of you. So you are the leaders. You please guide us what best can do. But look at the economics also at the same time. At the same time, you can guide us very well what can be done. But there are a lot of issues which you can. But what you advise us to be sorted out, looking at the financial strength of the government. So that is why we may have 3 governments, 4 governments, 5 governments. You rest very assured. The decisions what we are taking at the national level and the state level, I hope so. Next 29 will be your government, a Congress government. 28 again, with all the support of the Karmikas of the state. Definitely, I assure you that we will try to do our best. We were in a great difficult times when I took over the president about 6.5 years back. Just recently, I've been relieved out of the responsibility. The Rahulji and Kharge with their direction of Sonia ji, they have blessed us and given this opportunity to serve the state. Definitely taking everyone together. I believe in one thing. You all are joined here. Why you are joined here? To discuss various issues. To discuss the issues of this country. To discuss the economics of this country. To discuss the problem of the country. Though we may be in the opposition party in the central, but as a Congress party is committed to guide this country. Congress history is country's strength. History. Congress strength is country's strength. When our Congress party is in cover in the national level, you see at the time from the days of Jawaharlal Nehru till the Manmohan Singh ji, we have guided, we have brought reforms, we have given the constitution value, and whatever decisions we have given a constitution strength to it. That is the strength of the Congress party, which look at every section of the society, including the labor, trade union movement. This is what the Congress party believes in it. So, as the Chief Minister of the state, I would like to continue it. You should be a part of the processing of this SIR tomorrow. A great risk BJP is taking to eliminate all the congressmen and the downtrodden people. You all should join. I have taken a decision now on this guarantee scheme. For every panchayat, we are going to nominate about 5 members. I will see that you give a list to the DCC and my block and the MLAs. I will see that many of you workers, labor union also, will be a part of that committee. You should be that. You should respect that. So let us all work together to save this country. Anyway, I don't like to take much time on that. Under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahulji in this country, so things are shaping better. I am having confidence we will have a better time in the future. People of this country have seen whatever they promised they could not deliver on the international arena, in the international various issues. All my neighbors, we have lost our neighbors. At the time of Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi, all our neighbors were been friends. Now the country is facing a different financial crisis, but still we are able to force. As far as Karnataka is concerned, we have a big strength. We are helping the national government on various taxes, on labor. This is a state where you have a very rich human resources, manpower. Entire world is seeing India through Bangalore. That is what the strength is. You have seen the weather and culture of Bangalore, the manpower of Bangalore. Across the country, people are coming here. I was an urban development minister myself, George, very long back. The population was some 50-60 lakhs. Now the population is 1.4 crores. We have 1.3.5 acres, so 1 crore 35 lakhs vehicles in this city. That is the people of all over the country are seeing. We have about 2 lakh passports, foreign passports working here. In California, we have about 16 lakhs engineers working there. As far as Bangalore is concerned, we have 26 IT professionals working in this city. That is what this Karnataka is. Anyway, you please guide us. Let us not fight with one. We should see that even the businessmen also should be happy. If businessmen are strong, entrepreneurs are strong, we laborers also will be strong. Let us not rub too much with them. Let us work together. I think with the policies what we brought on the gig workers and various issues, we stand committed to it. Let us all work together. Again, once I would like to tell you, joining together is the beginning, discussing is the progress, working together is the success. Let us all work together to make this country and my party proud. I thank you for giving an opportunity. I have various other programs. So I hope you have been taken care well. I don't know what my friends have done. My Venkatesh has been done. Still any problem is there. If anyone want to stay, anyone want to see Karnataka, let me know. Karnataka will host you, take care of you. You can visit any part of the Karnataka and stay for a 3-4 days week. Enjoy well. Remember the history, know the places well. Seeing is believing. Let us all work together. Anyway, thank you for giving me an opportunity. So I'm sorry I'm late for this function. I wish you all the best. Thank you.